Yeah, well, we care about jellyfish today because we simply observe more jellyfish in the sea. And jellyfish outbreaks might have a negative effect on tourism and might also have a negative impact on fisheries. And fishermen encounter jellyfish in their nets and reduce their catches. Jellyfish might be a resource as well. Jellyfish is producing mucus, and in the mucus you find mucin, and this compound in the jellyfish mucus might be used for several purposes, as for example water treatment and actually having a sustainable water quality. There are many jellyfish species, and you don't find all species at all times everywhere. So you have species that are thriving in the water column the whole year round, and you have jellyfish species which are found in the deep. You have jellyfish species found in the surface waters, and then they don't have the same life cycles actually. So it's very important to know the differences between the species and their life cycle to understand where you can find them and why we actually see jellyfish outbreaks in some places and not in others. So there are many environmental factors and also human factors contributing to jellyfish outbreaks. Among the environmental factors, you have factors like temperature, salinity in the sea, which enhance the growth of jellyfish, which enhance some biological responses at the bottom of the sea, where you have the polyps generating larvae, which then grow and get transported with the currents. So the human dimension among the factors contributing to jellyfish outbreaks might be the anthropogenic pressure in forms of fish and fish efforts, eliminating a fraction of the fish biomass, which is the natural predator of some of the jellyfish larvae at some point, and it might also just give the opportunity to the jellyfish to develop instead of the fish larvae. Yes, so there are several methods of investigation, scientifically speaking, to acquire new knowledge. We have only a certain limited amount of knowledge concerning the mechanisms driving the jellyfish outbreaks. And to have more knowledge about how we relate outbreaks to environmental factors, one way is to go out at sea and to look where we can find jellyfish and what the conditions are when we find those outbreaks, and do correlation studies. That's one way to do it. So we have a series of statistical inferential methods that can be used to draw conclusions out of the huge amount of data which is present in the databases which have been collected over the years, to get a view over the relation or the more likely relations between the environmental factors which are supposed to drive the jellyfish outbreaks. Besides statistical methods of investigations, we can also use mechanistically based modeling and trying to put into those models the knowledge we have about the driving mechanisms and simulate the response, the biological response of jellyfishes to those environmental triggers, and to see to which extent we can explain and predict the jellyfish outbreaks or the increase in biomasses at some points in time and space.